Hi everyone. Today we are going to understand and learn how to make a amazing n8n workflow and amazing use case of n8n where you can track the Henry Hub natural gas futures prices without any cost, without any without any API keys, and you can get multiple updates in a single day during the market hours, and you can spot up to 12 future contracts, which it means basically up to 12 months of data, futures data, you can have at tip of your fingers in a mobile phone through Telegram. And this is where this workflow gives you a lot of context. It's a precision energy decision making thing. It helps you to take decisions, and it helps you to make remain informed about natural gas futures prices. So in order to get this workflow, you have to come to Vedanova systems website, and you have to click here on, and the link of this website is there in the description. You have to click here, you will come here, and from the n8n's website you are going to get this workflow. So moving ahead with the workflow, it's very basic workflow. It has only 5 nodes. So the initial trigger is schedule trigger. You can have 3, 4, 5, 6 times any number of triggers you want, you can have it. Then the next node is HTTP node, where we are going to scrape the oilprice.com website for natural gas. So this gives you the Henry Hub's future prices. The method has to be get. So by this node you are going to grab a lot of information, and so later on what we require to do is we have to extract spot future prices for natural gas. So this is some code which I have put it up here for 12-month contracts. This is very base level thing. You can use Chat GPT, Claude, Perplexity, any tool. You just have to give the input which you are going to get here, and you have to ask what you want, asking like function code for a code node, whatever you require for 12 future contracts, 20, 30, whichever number, you're going to get your requirement here fulfilled. Next node is to build an HTML table format. So I will show you the end result. We are going to have a table format data structured such that we can able to get understanding of data from this website very conveniently. I will show you the end result. You will get to understand what I mean to say you. And same, this data is something I have not put it up by myself. This is something I have used OpenAI's Chat GPT, and I asked my requirements in plain simple language, and it has given me this function code for code node here. And last not the least is the Telegram node, our savior. You have to put up the credentials here. It's quite easy to do that. You can use or watch any tutorial connecting Telegram with n8n. You are going to get a complete tutorial on that. I am also coming with one. So here you have to put the chat ID which you are going to get from the your from your Telegram account itself, and the text is something which we are going to get from our last code node. The other settings which we require here is, in the additional fields we have to use a parse mode in a HTML format, because as we are going to have a message in a table format, this becomes our primary requirement. Because if we are not using it in a table format, if we are not using here in HTML parse mode, it is not going to give us table. In the markdown it is going to give us plain text. So this is base level requirement here. So let's run it. It's running. and here it is. This is our Henry Hub futures prices. So it has given us 12 contracts. So by this it means here is that for June 26, which is the upcoming month, the price is at $2.92. So this data can be very much helpful to you in order to have a complete understanding. As a commodity trader, this can help you a lot in different things. Alongside, even if you are an oil and gas professional, this is something very much useful for it. You can remain on top of your profession by knowing this data, because there are a lot of natural gas contracts run on this numbers. Alongside this, my company Vedanova Systems, we are expert in oil and gas automation platform. We can make and have already a different number of automations which can help you to ease your work. You can save tens of hours of your work by having similar or different kind of automations, and we are expert into that. If you have any requirement similar to this, you can contact us. You can visit our website and you can drop us an email or a call. Till the next time, bye bye.